Why should you plant peaches for winter harvest? Many people know peaches only as a fruit that ripens in summer. Indeed, this delicious fruit is often associated with summer gardens, sunny days, and warm weather. But did you know that by planting and caring for peaches correctly, it is also possible to get a winter harvest? This may sound very unusual, but with the right approach, this will become a reality, not a dream. There are many advantages to winter peaches. Firstly, due to the shortage of fresh fruit in the markets in winter, the price of peaches is much higher. Therefore, if you, as a gardener, get a winter harvest, it will bring you not only personal pleasure, but also economic benefits. Secondly, eating fresh fruit in winter is also very important for health. Especially in the cold season, the body needs vitamins. Then, fresh peaches picked from your own garden can be an invaluable source for you and your family. Now, let's take a step-by-step look at how to grow peaches in winter. The first step is to choose the right variety. Not all peach varieties can bear fruit in winter. Therefore, it is necessary to choose special varieties that are frost-resistant, late ripening. These varieties not only grow well at low temperatures, but also allow you to preserve the crop for a long time. The second step is to choose a planting site. Peach trees love the sun very much. Therefore, choose a place for planting that receives as much sunlight as possible. This will not only help the crop ripen, but also protect the tree from frost. In winter, special covers or a greenhouse can be used to protect the trees from wind and cold. The third step is care and feeding. Growing peaches in winter requires special attention. It is important to water the tree in a timely manner, fertilize it in a timely manner, and protect it from pests. It is especially recommended to mulch the soil so that the roots are not damaged by frost. Another secret of winter peaches is proper harvesting and storage. By picking the fruits in time and storing them in cold storage or under special conditions, you can preserve the taste of fresh peaches for a long time. Thus, there are many advantages to growing peaches in the winter. You will enjoy a healthy harvest rich in vitamins. You will earn a profit by selling them at a high price on the market. And most importantly, you will gain an unusual but very fruitful gardening experience. So, if you do not want to limit your harvest to summer, start applying the secrets of growing winter peaches today. Remember, with the right variety selection, good location, regular care, and protection from frost, your garden can flourish and produce new crops even in winter.